back with another video. I am doing an empty apartment tour today. For my new apartment, I just signed a lease on a month ago, and I'm gonna go in and do some measurements with my friend who's also an interior stylist. Her name is Britton, and she goes by B Designs on Instagram, so make sure to follow her. But yeah, guys, I'm like super excited. This is gonna be my first luxury apartment, so yeah. Hey guys, so here's the entrance of my apartment. The first thing you're gonna see is the kitchen, which is so beautiful, and the huge island. Honestly, this apartment is 95% island and 5% apartment. Okay, the kitchen is huge. And here we have the dishwasher, and inside they left a like dishwashing detergent little ball, and I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, okay, thank you. I didn't have to get that. But it comes with a lot of cabinet space, which I really do love, and the sink is really, really deep, and I love the black hardware finishes, and you will see throughout the apartment, the black hardware is all the way throughout. Also, cool feature is that it has a built-in trash can, so I felt on a whole different level of bougie. Okay, I was loving that, and it comes with the stainless steel fridge. And then it also has a stackable washer and dryer, which they are both Whirlpool. And they tend to be a little bit on the silent side when the door is closed whenever I'm washing. It also has the AC where you can actually control it on your phone. So if I'm away or at work, I can turn it on and off, which I thought that was awesome. And the closet is actually a lot bigger in person, I would say. I literally could fit a whole entire dresser in there to keep, you know, my bedroom more minimal. And then I love the built-in shelves in there. I put my shoes right there. I thought that was great. Again, the black hardware on the doorknobs and more cabinets. Yes, guys, you guessed it, more cabinets. I don't even know what to do with all of this cabinet space. I don't even have that much stuff. And it has the same countertops and color scheme from the kitchen finish into the bathroom with the LED mirror, which I think is so fire. Like, I love this mirror. And one thing you're going to see about the shower, that the tiling on the floor matches the shower all the way up. It looks so good. It looks so seamless. And then again with the black hardware. And here we're just testing out that water. And we really just trying to see how the water pressure is. I feel like that's so important to test out. But yeah, I love this shower so much. And here's the bedroom. Again, this bedroom does look a lot bigger in person. But, you know, it's pretty good. A lot of natural light, which I really, really do love. And in my bedroom, yeah, there's a lot of space in there, which I'm having my work desk area in there as well. And here's the living room. The living room is also, to me, it's a little bit more smaller than the bedroom, but it's still a good amount of space. And here's the balcony, which has the wood all the way up. The pool is a 3-pool resort style pool, which I really love, and it's so peaceful, and I love how it changes colors also at night. Okay, guys, so that is a wrap. Thank you so much for all your kind words, all your congratulations. It really does mean so much to me from the bottom of my heart. You know, I lived with my parents for 3 years after I graduated college, so this is a big deal for me. It's my first time being out on my own. I really love this space that I'm in. It's like, you know, me doing big girl things. I just turned 25 this year. I just love it. I love being 25. I don't care what anybody says. Being 25 is great. Okay, and yeah, I can't wait to bring you guys along with me on this journey to decorate and really make this apartment a home. And yeah, I'm just so grateful, so incredibly thankful for everything. I'm thankful to the Lord for everything that he has done in this journey that I've been on. I can't wait to share more with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you next video.